All right, guys, this is Ian. This is my 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus, which did not come with the premium audio. And today I had the installation done of a 10-inch sub with a box, an amp, and as you can see down here below, there's my toggle for controlling the bass. Anyways, this was done at the only place I wanted to work with a Tesla. It's called Car Audio Shop on North Lamar and Peyton Jane in Austin. Other shops in Austin did not want to do any work with the Tesla, so screw them. This guy's been in business for a while, has great Google reviews and reasonable pricing. So just wanted to show this out to you guys, and then I'm going to walk to the trunk so I can show you the box real quick. So here is the 10-inch sub box that he got for me. Here's the brand for the subwoofer. Hybrid Audio Technologies Unity Series is a 10-inch sub. Here's the Rockford Fosgate amp that he used. And the amp is installed. You can't see it because it's behind this panel here where the premium audio will have the subwoofer. Everything was routed nice and clean. The only cable that you see there is so I can unplug it if I want to have more space when I put luggage in the trunk. Anyways, sounds real tight, nice, great sound bass. Not too much, no distortion. All right, have a great day, guys.